Okay, we're gonna show you how to make the bike sound like street bike, and we're gonna put this in. Like, you gotta put it in like as long as it's touching the rubber. You just gotta put it in like as long as it stays in and touches the rubber. We chose to put it in like this, and we're gonna ride it, and we're gonna show you how it sounds like a street bike.
Yeah, let's go. Sounds like a street bike. It sounds like it turns on. Turns on. You fit you.
Don't throw dirt at me.
Just don't dirt at me.
Stop it! I think that sounds like a street bike, doesn't it? Jump it. Sounds kind of like a street bike. Sounds good. Okay. And when you stop, it kind of sounds like the bike turns off. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.